Hello netizen, welcome to my YouTube channel, Chinchik Vlog. This is Ate Panmoy and we are here. Ayan, sa sightseeing ko po kayo sa ng Bangkok, Thailand ngayon. I'm on the train and ayan, nakikita niyo po overlooking mga bahay-bahay. Parang katulad sa Pilipinas, 2 floors lang. Ayan. Ayan po, ito po yung train namin. Doon. Parang din, train ng Hong Kong. Dito. Medyo madilim na dito. Iba-ibang nationality kasama ko. So if you wanna take the train, this is the airport link. Nasa basement po ng airport. And you need to change your money. Ang pupuntahan ko po sa number 7. Kasi you should know how to read. May English naman po sila dyan eh. At ang gagawin nyo po, you change money. Katulad niyan, mag-change po kayo ng Thailand, and then you will use the coins. Okay, so we have lots of people now. It's almost full, and I'm going to show you that meron po kami ditong yung token, kasi yung token ang gagamitin nyo para pumasok sa train. So yung aking train, ang destination ko number 7 sa Ratcharat. Parang sarap, Ratcharat. So meron silang vending machine, you need to put there, and then mine is 40 baht. Okay, so I need to find my coins, my token, so I will show it to you. Sa dami ng gamit po. Ba't kaya yan? Ayan po, dito naman tayo. Ayan naman, mga kabukiran. Ayan. So sightseeing muna tayo on the train hanggang makarating ako sa destination ko. Ito naman po yung kanilang restaurant.
Next station, Ban Thap Chang Station. Passengers can connect to SRT Eastern Line from this station.
Ganda, bago na naman housing nila yan. Mostly ang bahay nila dito, 2 palapag na. May bagong ginagawa na naman. Ito mga buildings, pero hindi gano'ng katataasan na kayo ng mga buildings. Hindi gano'ng makataasan mga buildings nila. Marami pa rin sila mga greens here. Ayan. Tulad dito, ayan, may mga taniman pa sila. May pala isdaan. Nice to see. Malayo pa tayo sa city. Na puro makikita natin. Taniman.
Next station, Ban Thap Chang Station. สถานีต่อไปสถานีบ้านทับช้าง
Manilawang din yung kalsada nila. Parang Pilipinas din ang itsura. And this is the token. Ito yung token niya, oh. Yan. Mabasa. Property of airport rail link. 40 baht po ito papunta sa number 7 stop. So this is the one, ipapatong nyo doon sa ano nila, pag entrance, and then pag exit mo, ano na to, papasok mo doon, hindi mo na makukuha to. Yan na, ang ganda oh. Continue our journey. Ito po yung maleta ko. Puno po oh. Marami ng pasahero. Okay. Continue. Gaganda ng mga ano nila. Oh. Gusto ko yung mga ganda. Very cool. Diba? Hindi katulad sa Hong Kong. Puro matataas na building. At least yan. Dalawang palapa. Mas maganda. At sa Pilipinas, ganyan naman eh. Parang palaisdaan nila.
Train to Payatai. Next station, Guamak Station. Passengers can connect to SRT Eastern Line from this station. รถไฟฟ้าขบวนนี้ไปพญาไทสถานีต่อไปสถานีหัวหมากท่านสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปรถไฟสายตะวันออกได้ที่สถานี
Ito parang mga ano to, middle class yan. Parang katulad sa Pilipinas. Mga ganyang klaseng bahay, middle class. So yung kanina parang subdivision. Ito mga apartment type. Parang townhouse style. Stanford University. Laki na, Stanford University. Ito maganda rin, parang ano, townhouse din. Apartment.
Next station, หัวหมาก Station สถานีต่อไปสถานีหัวหมากผู้โดยสารสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปยังรถไฟฟ้ามหานครสายสีเหลืองได้ที่สถานีนี้ Passenger can connect to the MRT Yellow Line at this station. ผู้โดยสารโปรดทราบสถานีถัดไปประตูรถไฟจะเปิดทางด้านขวา Attention please. Next station. Train doors will open on the right.
Dito may mga high buildings na sila. Pero wala pa silang mga glass buildings, mga mirror buildings. Puro ano parang concrete buildings here.